What's up, my dear and beautiful Instagram friends? My name is Emelina Spinelli, your Instagram and marketing expert. And today we're gonna go through a tutorial and my personal first time reaction of going through Instagram Reels. Before we jump in, if you've been looking to grow your Instagram account, I do have a free 70-minute video training that people are raving about. Click the link in the description to get access for free today. Instagram has just launched what they are now calling Instagram Reels, a brand new feature that is accessed in your stories in the Instagram app. I first noticed it when I was just scrolling through Instagram yesterday, and I realized that within my feed, certain videos were actually showing up in the full vertical format, not cropped at all. And I immediately saw an amazing opportunity here because in the feed, the videos made in Reels are actually taking up almost twice the space of normal photo real estate, which means in a crowded, clustered Instagram feed, as somebody's scrolling through, your content is going to pop up and demand attention because it is taking up more space, and hopefully you're making really awesome content. My hunch is that Reels came out to counter TikTok because TikTok has gained so much awareness and users and is super trending in the United States. And I did hear that TikTok may get banned in the US because of privacy laws. So this is a fantastic time for Instagram to come out with rivaled features to grab all those TikTok users to come over to Instagram, create similar trendy video content. Now, in the past, Instagram has been really great at adopting new features. Like, remember Snapchat? How many of you are using Snapchat right now? In the past, Instagram had seen how much traction Snapchat was gaining and new users, so they took on the features that Snapchat was giving, like what they now call Stories, which was originally a Snapchat feature, and integrated it within the app. And really quickly, people decided to use Instagram over Snapchat, at least many of the users and many influencers as well, because it was easier and integrated in an app that they already know and love. I'm feeling a very similar trajectory and trend here, so I'm really looking forward to giving you my first time reaction to Reels. Okay, just opening up my app here. If we go to the button to start working on stories and posting stories, it pulls up your stories, and at the very bottom, I'm just seeing it says live story Reels. So I'm gonna toggle this little slider over to Reels. And the first thing it says is create with Reels. Record and edit short videos and share them to explore where anyone may discover them. My first reaction and immediate expert advice here is going to be that whenever Instagram launches a new feature on the app, that they give that feature first dibs to Explore page. So you are significantly more likely to show up on the Explore page and to have your content shared pretty significantly by the algorithm when you use new features that are just launched. Naturally, Instagram wants to promote new features, things like Reels or when IGTV came out or IG Live. And by using the features, it's almost like an algorithm hack because the algorithm is designed to support the new trends and provide positive reinforcement for you so that you begin to use it more and build it into a habit. That positive reinforcement is extended reach and more engagement. So these are things you can expect to receive by using Instagram's new feature. I'm just gonna select Get Started. And this looks just like Stories, but I see we've got some new options here. There's an option to add music. So cool. You can speed up or slow down your snaps now, your stories. So this is really cool. So let's see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Don't judge me.
Press and hold the button in the center to record your Reels. The longer you hold the button, the longer it will record.
And you can record sections at a time, just like in TikTok. So this is just a really fantastic platform to be able to make more viral type of content, the type that we've been seeing on TikTok. So I could take this in another location and shoot something else. And as you shoot more and more content, this little progress bar on the top will keep loading. I think we're gonna have about 15 seconds of time on this loading bar to shoot lots of new content. We can add effects and filters. Oh, so cool. They added a timer. It's a little intense. They just did my makeup for me. Thanks, Instagram. That's funny. That effect is funny. It's adorable. Anyway, so, oh, this one's my favorite though, guys. If you know me, you know I'm pretty celestial, so I'm into these little stars. But anyway, just like stories, you could add effects and filters. After we record something, there's this little button down here that shows the last clip that we recorded. So we can click on that and view our new content and choose to delete it if we don't like it and reshoot it. So I'm gonna hit discard. This next little button is called the timer. So we can actually increase or decrease our shooting time up to 15 seconds. I'm just gonna pretend I'm a model. Okay, and it sped it up and slowed it down. Okay, so it gives me my content immediately. I get to write a caption, I can add this to my stories, and I can share to Reels, which I believe is kind of a different feed that's gonna be showing up in the Explore page to help bring discoverability to your profile in exchange for using this new feature. Now, just taking a quick look at this interface, just like Instagram TV, you can share this to Reels independently, or you can also choose to share in the feed. I do recommend for you guys to share your Reels into your feed because my guess is that this is going to be pretty similar to IGTV. When you create content and post it to your Instagram television platform, the discoverability of that content relies on people within the IGTV Explore page to natively discover your content. When these features are new, there isn't that much traffic for the feature itself yet, so I do highly, highly recommend that you share this to your feed so that your currently engaged followers can see your new Reels and react to them, which will then boost the engagement. You want to take any chance that you can be discovered by anyone new within the Instagram app. So I highly recommend adding hashtags so you show up in the hashtag feed. Just like stories, I love that we can download the video. And I see the same features here, just like stories, where we can add stickers and GIFs. We can draw and add text as well. Okay, so I love the align feature. This is so cool. So what they did is they gave you kind of like a transparency mode. Before you start shooting, you can match yourself with your previous frame where you ended. So this will make all of your frames when you're shooting content that's in different locations and is different clips look seamless, which is incredible. Do one of those tricks where you snap and you disappear and snap and reappear, that it matches up to the same location. So I love this align feature. I think this is really smart and really fun, and I think you guys are gonna have a lot of room to play with this specific area in Reels. One more thing that I'm seeing on the sharing platform is the ability to save as a draft. I just selected save as draft and I see that it dropped it over to my profile. Oh, it looks like, so the Reels are actually saved right next to IGTV and they've put them in between IGTV and the gallery feed, which tells me immediately that they just increase the discoverability and the weight that the algorithm will count Reels in comparison to IGTV. So you're definitely gonna wanna use this feature moving forward in Instagram because they're showing that it's more important right now. I just selected Reels so that we can see what it looks like. Now, looking at IGTV, you can see a very similar format. It saved that for me as a draft, which I actually think is really cool. So that as influencers and brands, we can shoot our content ahead, save it to draft, and then when we're ready, we can go ahead and publish. So I just selected the draft we just saved. Really easily, I can add my caption and then hit publish, and this will publish automatically to my feed as well as my Reels content in my profile. I can also give it a boost by sharing to stories, which I would highly recommend you do as well. Overall, guys, I think this is a cool feature. I think it's definitely worth playing around with. If you love TikTok, which I know so many of you do, I think this feature will give TikTok a run for its money. Overall, my expert opinion is I love it. I'm really excited to see where this goes, and using this feature right now out of the gate for the next few months will probably give your account the Explore page and discoverability access that you've always wanted. I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know if you think I'm totally off base and this is something you can't stand and you don't want to use it, or let me know if you've already been using Reels and you actually love it and it's driving you to create better content. As always, if you love this video, please go tap that like button, give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future Instagram marketing videos. And until next time, see ya. Making reels We're making reels, yes we are.